Hi everyone, welcome. On today's video, we're making egusi soup, sharp and chickeny money egusi soup. Today I'm craving egusi. Unfortunately, the person that sells meat close to my house was no longer around, and I really want to eat egusi, so I had to make do with the ingredients I have. So inside this pot we have stockfish, cow skin, dried fresh fish. So I seasoned with a cube of seasoning and salt. I'll allow it to steam. Then at this point, I'm very hungry, and this is what I really want to use to quench the hunger. So I added egusi. This is 2 cups of egusi. I blended it with enough crayfish. Yeah, I blended the two together. So I added the egusi and crayfish, after which I will then add palm oil. There's something about this egusi. Let me tell you, there's 2 types of egusi. If you buy egusi, any egusi that you did not mix with hot water and is giving you this lumpy look, know that is that egusi na bojom. You don't even need much ingredients. The taste, they come out delicious, I tell you. You see that egusi, look at it, it's looking very lumpy. Mind you, I did not even mix it with hot water. That is to tell you, this is a very good egusi. This egusi doesn't need stress for you to cook it. There are egusi that you have to mix with hot water and still put it as if you are frying akara. Still, it will be looking at something else. But this one, look at how I pour it, but it still come out looking lumpy. Look at how lumpy the egusi is looking. So my dear, I allow it to cook, because yeah, egusi has to be cooked before you start eating it. So at this point, I allow it to cook. At the point, I added water because, as you can see, it was very thick. So I needed to add water so that it can cook very well. So I allow it to cook. Then the next thing I added was the vegetable I used today. I had to make do with the ingredients I told you that is close. So I used ugu leaf. Normally I don't like using ugu leaf, but I had to use ugu leaf because at this point making do with the ingredients I have. So I added the ugu, and after which I stirred. See guys, at this point this soup is good to go. Start getting ready. Everyone, where are you? Start coming over. Let me use this egusi now to thank everyone that has deemed it fit to subscribe on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much if you're watching from my YouTube channel. If you're watching on Facebook, thank you. Thank you for always coming back. Thank you for your likes. Thank you for your comments. Thank you for your shares. Oh yeah, come over, let's start dissecting. And if you're still contemplating whether to subscribe or not, do well and subscribe. Turn on your notification bell so you'll be notified each time we upload a new video. And after watching this video, do share. Because you see this portion, I'm bringing it right to your doorstep. Thank you so much.